spray it and attach it to your Swiffer. Your windows will shine like never before thanks to this trick. Hardly anyone knows that you can clean all high windows this way. You won't have to climb a ladder anymore. A simple Swiffer is enough. I actually started to enjoy cleaning windows because of this. First, prepare a bowl. Pour warm water into it. Add a bit of dish soap. Soak a microfiber cloth in the prepared water. Once it's fully soaked, wring it out well. Now wrap the microfiber cloth around the Swiffer. Use this tool to wash your windows. There's no need to go up a ladder. Rinse the cloth from time to time. Next, spray some rubbing alcohol or vinegar on a piece of paper towel and attach it to the Swiffer. Wipe the windows again until they are dry. You'll see that the glass will shine with cleanliness and sparkle like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. The microfiber cloth removes dirt, and the alcohol dissolves any greasy spots and leaves the windows streak-free,